Hi, Levi. We're going to play one more game today. What are we playing?
Uno Moo.
What are we playing?
Uno Moo.
Uno Moo. All right. So, Uno Moo is really easy and really fun. What you do is you have all of these pieces in here with animals and colors. And we have the game is matching. So, go ahead and shake it up. Shake it up. Pick it up. Shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Mix everything up really well. Okay. Now, each player gets 5 pieces. So I'm gonna. Okay. So here's Levi gets 5, and Mommy gets 5 too. Okay. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're gonna use the pig as our game piece. So the white farmer is your wild card, and a skunk lets you skip a turn. All right, Levi, do you have green or a pig?
Well, a little pig.
A yellow pig, so pop him inside and replace it with the yellow pig. Okay, good. Well, do I have yellow or a pig? Well, I don't have a pig, but I do have a yellow cow. So I'm going to pop him inside and I'm going to put the cow. Now, do you have yellow or a cow?
Well, a green cow.
Okay, so switch it up. There you go. Well, I don't have green and I don't have a cow. So I'm going to use my wild and I'm going to pop that in and I'm going to make it a blue chicken. Okay, so it's...
Do you have a blue or chicken?
Well, I do. But do you have blue or a chicken?
No.
Levi, not only do you have blue, but you have a wild too. So which one do you want to use, your blue or your wild?
Wild.
You'd rather use your wild? All right, so it's not a blue chicken anymore. What is it now?
A blue chicken.
It's still a blue chicken? All right, well, you know what? I have a blue chicken. So I'm going to pop that in. There we go. You go. Do you have blue or a chicken?
Well, a skunk.
No, that's a green. Do you have blue or a chicken?
No.
You don't have blue?
No.
Levi, you got a blue cow right there.
But he's my friend.
Aw, but I promise you'll get him back after the game. Go ahead and use him. Okay, so now we have a blue. Levi.
Uno Moo.
Oh, Levi. So whoever has one piece left has to scream Uno Moo, and if you don't scream it before the other person, then you have to pick up 2. But he yelled it, so he doesn't have to pick up 2. So that was a skunk. That was a blue, and I'm going to use my... I think I'm going to use my blue sheep. Uno Moo! Uno Moo, I have one left. Do you have blue or a sheep?
Well, green skunk.
That's not a match, so close your eyes and pick. Pick from here. There you go. Okay.
A blue cow.
Oh, you got your blue cow back. All right, well, my turn. So, do I have blue or a sheep? I have a blue. So there it goes. I win!
I win!
Well, that's how you play Uno Moo. You like Uno Moo, buddy?
Yeah.
You want to play another round?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to do one more round of Uno Moo. Here, put him in. Okay.
That's mine.
Okay, well, we'll see if you get him again. Ready? Okay. Give it a good shake. Give it a good shake. Levi, give it a good shake. Mix them all up.
My blue cow.
After Levi.
I like my blue cow. He's just so chubby.
Apparently the blue cow is special to Levi. So that's not the cow. There's the cow. I'm just going to let Levi have his blue cow. Can you shake up the rest now?
Yeah.
Now you're only getting 4 pieces. Shake it good. Shake it good.
I'm getting 5 pieces.
No, everyone's supposed to get 5. You already have 1. So you get 4. 4. Yep. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. Okay.
I need the wild.
You don't need a wild. That's what you
I
got.
love a
got a red chicken. All right. So everybody look at your pieces and you know what you have. I have a wild.
I have a blue cow.
Good.
And I have a blue sheep.
Okay.
And I have a blue skunk.
Oh.
And I have a red chicken. And then I have a little chicken.
A yellow chicken.
And I have a green pig.
Okay, green pig. So that was blue cow, blue sheep, blue skunk, yellow chicken.
So,
Blue cow, blue sheep, blue skunk, yellow chicken, green pig. And I have a blue chicken, wild card, green cow, red sheep, and a red pig. Okay, so I'm gonna go first since I won the last game. And
So I won the last game too.
oh, okay, sweetheart.
I'll do
So it is a red chicken. Do I have red or a chicken? Well, I do have red, but I also have a chicken. So I'm gonna use my blue chicken and switch the color to blue. So Levi, do you have blue or a chicken?
We have a little chicken.
You have a yellow chicken you'd like to use. Okay, go ahead. Yellow chicken it is. Do I have yellow or a chicken? I don't have either. So I'm going to use my wild and I'm gonna switch it up. So now I'm gonna make it a green chicken.
Okay.
Do you have green or a chicken?
We don't have green chicken.
Do you have green or a chicken?
No.
Levi, you don't have a green?
I have green pig.
So Levi has a green pig he's gonna switch it to. And I have green or a pig. Well, I'm gonna use my green cow. Pop the pig in there, and I'm going to use that. Do you have a cow or green?
Well, a blue cow.
Okay, so go ahead and switch it to blue. He switches it to blue.
Well, he's my friend.
We'll get him back later, I promise. He is your friend. He's a good piece. Okay, so I don't have blue and I don't have a cow. So I have to close my eyes and I'm in here. Okay. And I got a green chicken. So Levi, put your blue cow back on. Your turn. Now, do you have blue or a cow?
Well,
You have blue.
I have a blue.
So pop him in and switch it to that. Okay. So do I have blue or a sheep? Levi, you'll get him later, I promise. I have a sheep. I have a red sheep. So I'm gonna pop him in. Oh, I didn't hear that. There you go. I didn't even realize. Do it again, buddy. There you go. All right. Well, I have red sheep. You don't have red or a sheep, so you have to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm closing his eyes. Go ahead, pick one. Pick a good one. He's really not looking. Okay, that's it.
My blue cow.
He's still got his blue cow. I don't know how you picked that from covering your eyes. All right, well, Mommy goes. Do I have red or a sheep? I do have red, so I have a pig. Oh, Una Moo! Okay, do you have red? Levi, you just pop that one in there. Do you have red or a pig?
No.
No, so close your eyes. You gotta pick again. Close your eyes. Go ahead and pick. And he's not looking. Levi, go ahead, pick one. Okay. What'd you get?
A green pig.
A green pig. All right. Well, I don't have another red, and I don't have a pig, so I have to cover my eyes. And pick one. All right. I got it. There we go. Okay. Oh, I got a green skunk.
Skunky, skip the turn.
Skunky does skip your turn, but I didn't use it yet. So, do you have red or a pig?
We have a green pig.
There you go. All right. So I have no pig, but I do have a skunk. So I'm going to pop that in. Skunky skipped your turn.
No,
Moo. Back to me. No. Skunky skipped your turn. Skunky skipped your turn. Okay. All right. Well, I obviously won. So that's how you play Uno Moo. Levi is just at that age where it's a little difficult to play every game 100%, but he knows how to play. he just has his favorite pieces and he doesn't like to lose at this point. So, all right, Levi, did you have fun?
Yeah.
You like Uno Moo?
Yeah.
Do you understand Uno Moo?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess this is a really cute game for a 3-year-old, but maybe a little bit more towards 4, I guess. I mean, Levi understands it, but he still just wants to play with his characters and he always wants to win. So, all right, everybody, have fun playing your toys. We'll see you later.
And who that noise?
Yeah, I heard that noise. What is that? Are you taking Uno Moo with your horses away? Where are you going?
The wind is taking it away.
Oh no! Rose is taking it away!
Now we're going to do it.
Oh, thank you. He's bringing it back? That's so nice. Thank you. All right, buddy. Ooh, bye.